This is a wiring tutorial for an external power supply and fail-safe electric lock. First, we will connect our low voltage wiring to our relay at common and normally closed. We will connect this low voltage wiring to our power supply. To do so, we will plug it into in and ground. From the outputs on the power supply going back to the lock, we will connect it from common and normally closed. Next, we will connect our request to exits. Input 1 relates to relay 1, so we will connect to in and ground. Next, we will connect our power. The black wire is your ground wire, white wire is 24 volt. Finally, we will connect our Ethernet.